You don't know nothing.
Let's go make the bride beautiful. You want to drip coffee now. You want to drip coffee now. At the entrance of making the bride beautiful. You want to drip coffee now. Oh my God. This is the first time I've ever forgotten anything. No, I don't need them. I forgot a cake.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I can use a towel.
I mean, I have towels.
Oh.
We're fine.
So.
Oh.
Yeah, so then I didn't sing until like a couple years ago.
Well, you didn't
'Cause
sing
I
in
had
public,
to.
you mean?
No, at all. Like I just
Really?
shut my mouth.
Wow. And so
And
when
just
did you
played the
start
piano.
again?
Like 3 years ago.
Okay. How long did it take for you to,
It took
get
a
the
good-
webs off?
Wow. I mean, it's still not completely because it's new.
Yeah, yeah.
So if I'm playing the piano and I sing, like I'm fine. But if I'm just singing,
Right.
I'm like, what's my hand doing?
right. Isla Papapi, se va. Gracias.
It's definitely something. No, because they speak like really like Shakespeare English. Like if you were to translate it directly, it translates to like
Oh,
yeah. So
proper.
you can't
Okay.
even do like a literal like if you want to say something and try to like translate it, like it doesn't work.
Oh, okay.
So that's why
Got
it's
it.
difficult.
Got it. Okay.
Yes. Meet one, you see, yeah.
Oh.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, enchanté. I knew that one. Mm-hmm. Au revoir. I know that one. Did I say it right?
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Mm-hmm. It's just a beautiful language.
Mm-hmm.
When spoken slowly.
Now when you sound like you have to hack every 2 seconds. J'espère que vont passer
J'espère que nous allons passer un bon moment.
un bon moment.
Un bon moment? What? That's probably the back half of a word we didn't toe up.
Wait. I hope that you enjoy.
J'espère que vous allez passer un bon moment.
That's too long.
That's too long.
Yeah, no, you should have saw it. You missed it. My dad went
So cute.
across. We didn't know where he was going, but he had all these flowers, and then suddenly my mom just popped up out of nowhere, and they were walking together.
Okay.
Trust Jess. I mean,
I
I know
trust
you do.
Jess.
I know you do. She's here. Don't do that. I'm seriously going to learn a phrase or so. When you said mon cri, I was like, yes.
Whatever you think.
Right?
Yes.
Come through, back of the throatness. It was from the back of the throat. Come through.
be nasty.
They're announcing now. Got it? Okay. Danielle Mendez is being received once again here in the United States. Her first reception was in Paris. And we were fortunate enough to be her glam team. So Danielle, thank you so much for allowing us this opportunity. We out.